farms. This is our organic cow milk farm. You could see famous Sahiwal cows, which is a desi breed of Punjab, and the milk and the cow urine and cow dung of this particular Sahiwal cow has a lot of medicinal properties. These Sahiwal cows gives us pure A2 cow milk, where you can see they are fed on pure organic hay, grass. This is a very famous breed of our Indian tradition, and it is a pure desi breed of the state of Punjab. These are the calves of Sahiwal cows, by which the milk is being derived after these cows consumes their own milk. The grass and the methods that we follow here are pure organic, and these cows milk and its products like cow curd, cow paneer, cow creams, they are of pure medicinal value, which is mentioned in Ayurveda. Buy this cow milk online directly to your homes by logging into www.organictapovana.com. Thank you.